Here's how to fix Roblox screen not rotating. So let's have Roblox open here. And if you want, you can rotate the screen outside the game or inside the game. For example, I'm going to open an experience here. And when I rotate my phone, it's currently not rotating. So what you can do is open your menu from the top here. And then make sure auto rotate lock is off. If you want to orient the screen however you want. If you want to keep lock, or if you want to keep the screen rotation locked, you can enable this option and it will freeze the rotation. But I'm going to disable it here so I can rotate the game. And as you can see, I can rotate it normally. Can have it like this horizontally. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.